You are going to love the 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, and much more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.